Starting off with Helium here. I'm going to dive into all the cryptos tonight, or at least 10 of them. So going over Helium, this is a brand new currency that was just added to Coinbase, so pretty fresh chart. So I'm just going to create some zones here, and we'll see if we can't find a position to possibly take. So just run these daily zones through the wicks here. There's not enough data to find a daily moving average, so we'll just go down to the 1 hour. You can see that it is bullish because it's sitting above this 1 hour moving average, but it's having issues with this zone. Based on this, though, you can see a lot of bullish momentum coming back into this zone. This 4 hour candle, which is about to close, is very bullish. So, and it did make a higher low here, so this tells me that there is some good bullish momentum, and there might be a good chance that it busts through this zone, and then we'll head higher. So what I would like to do is I'll actually go back on the 4 hour here, and I'll find a zone that I'd be comfortable with targeting. So back up here, there's a nice supply zone, kind of where it was first introduced to Coinbase, kind of what it opened at or whatever, back in mid-July, July 12th. So I'd be looking to buy this based on the bullish momentum and target up here. Again, there's no real ranges. I mean, it says it does about 14 cents per day. On the weekly, yeah, there's no real range or anything. So this is brand new to this chart. So we don't have a ton of data, but we'll do what we can here. So I'd be looking to break this area here and then enter a long position. I'd probably target the top of this zone. This is just based on a 4 hour. Obviously you could target higher right at the 2 mark, but I kind of like this 1.9 mark. It's a nice whole number. Price always likes whole numbers. There is resistance here, or sorry, support, I guess. This would be support now because it's broken above it. So I would wait for price to break through this zone, something like this, come back down, retest this area, and then head higher, because it did respect this area many times. But as soon as it breaks above this, and like I said, it did make a low or a higher low here, right? So you got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, presumably high, higher high. So that's what we're going to wait for. Going to let price come up, come back down, retest, and then look for a long position. See what kind of R value you can get, maybe a 5 or at least a 4.5. Might be able to tighten this stop a little bit. Depends if you guys use stops. If you want to use a stop, you could. Then just keep it out of this zone, and you should be good to go. Make 5 times your money on this, this bullish cryptocurrency. So that is Helium. I'm going to move on.